Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Board. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video, I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. Firstly, I'm showing you their Twitter account. You can also join their Twitter account. Tap token launch on CoinList is live. Tap token launch, the first Bitcoin L1 project launch on CoinList is starting today. The Tap protocol team is honored to be on this journey to push the age of innovation of the Bitcoin network with our community. You can also check their posts from here and you can also check their comments from here. This is an amazing project. Now back to the website. Tap or DeFi enabling protocol, all the security, none of the gatekeeping. Tap has created a protocol that allows for secure and accessible development on Bitcoin and unprecedented flexibility in programmability. Simply put, Tap facilitates building on Bitcoin on a way on competitors can, and unlike the competitors, Tap is decentralized. 70k plus user onboarded, 50 plus project already built. You can also join their social platforms like their Twitter account and their Telegram community. You must join their Telegram community for latest update. This is an amazing project. Fractionalizing ordinals art, unlocking the potential for micro ownership and broader accessibility to ordinals art pieces, token swap liquidity pools, seamless exchange and liquidity provision, empowering users and enhancing market depth, borrowing, lending and staking. A trifecta of financial empowerment, borrow against holding, lead to earn interest and stake to gain reward and contribute to network stability. Track system. Track systems specialize in blockchain technology, creating innovative products like Track Core, Tap Protocol, and Pipe. This is an amazing project. Now I'm showing you their coin list. Tap Protocol or DeFi enabling protocol for Bitcoin ordinals. You can also participate in it. Content on this page was provided by the Tap Protocol team. You can also read their adopters from here, their builders and their resources. Next we have their special instructions. To participate in the Tap Protocol token launch, the following requirements are needed. Number 1. Visit this site on a desktop computer. Number 2. Using Google Chrome. Number 3. Install the Xverse extension. Important, the Tap protocol team will be distributing Tap token to the link external versus wallet provided during the token launch purchase flow. All custodial and exchange wallet are strictly prohibited. Program overview. We were excited to announce our 12th token launch of 2024 with Tap, a cutting-edge L1 solution that addresses the crucial need for a more flexible and accessible platform for Bitcoin development. Bitcoin ordinals enable the Bitcoin network to be used as a platform that enables functionalities similar to Ethereum, allowing for a creation of NFTs, tokens, DeFi applications, and dApps. However, at the L1 level, there has been a lack of flexibility for computations. Tap protocol addresses this issue by offering alternative method to achieve similar outcomes on L1. The Tap protocol is a groundbreaking advancement for the Bitcoin network by supporting secure, accessible development and unlocking unprecedented programmability. This decentralized platform outshines competitors with its unique ability to build on Bitcoin, addressing the limitation of traditional Bitcoin transactions. Tap is not just a development tool, it is a movement toward innovative, decentralized applications. Key highlight. You can also read the key highlights like advanced capabilities on Bitcoin ordinals, simplified usage, enhanced security, new approach to computation. Launch structure. Tap protocol token launch details. You can also check their details from here. Important, to participate in the Tap protocol token launch, the following requirements are needed as I already told you this. Tokenomics, token supply. The total supply of the Tap token is 21 million. Distribution, the exact token distribution and corresponding BOST are listed below. You can also check their tokenomics circle like their seed 9.24%, foundation 22.50%, advisor 4%, private 12.52%, public round 7.50%, airdrop 6%, exchange and liquidity 10%, RDFI and staking DeFi 15%, team 13.24%. Tap token vesting, you can also check their vesting from here. The Tap token is the ultimate reward for ecosystem actors and offer the following functionalities. Creation of promises. The Tap token is the cornerstone of the Tap protocol, serving as its primary utility token. Engineered to enhance the ecosystem without being predatory, Tap token will be used for gas-free and essential for enabling crucial element of promises, discount, rewards, and payment. Tap is vital for the array of products that will be in our DApp store, such as API tool, IDS, libraries for developers, and applications such as DeepIn, data streaming, and gaming. Its initial utility include offering discount on Tap marketplace fees and bridging fees, as well as supporting the RDFI and DeFi infrastructure governance for the other protocols. Furthermore, the Tap token will play a pivotal role in supporting the other productive within our current and future ecosystem offering. Acting as its main governance token, it stands out as one of the first utility token built on top of Ordinals, powering an comprehensive infrastructure that leverages Bitcoin security. By holding the Tap token, users hold the ability to play a role in future ecosystem development. Next, we have their ecosystem. Tap is used and trusted by over 50 projects and has over 70,000 individual wallets. Some number achieved: 50 plus project building on Tap, 2 million mints, over 70,000 individual wallet. Tap is now home to 15k plus tokens. You can also check their Twitter followers and their Discord followers. You can also join their Discord from here. You just need to write your name here and then click on continue. Next, we have their technology. Tap enables the Bitcoin network to be used as a platform that enables functionalities similar to Ethereum to several pioneer features. Tap protocol features. Similar features with BRC20, fair mint, swaps, staking, bridges. Differentiating factors. You can also check their differentiating factors: multi-sig and flexible airdrop, decentralized extension, token authorities, decentralized governance, RDFI, and promises. First, native smart contract design on Bitcoin promises. Tap introduces smart contract-like functionalities known as promises directly on Bitcoin. These promises allow for more complex and trustless interactions within the ecosystem. Users can create peer-to-peer promises without the need of a third party. Fractionalizing ordinal art. Tap enables micro-ownership and greater accessibility to unique digital art, democratizing the ownership of digital assets. Token swap and liquidity pool. Facilitating seamless exchange and liquidity provision. Tap enhance market depth and user empowerment. Borrowing, lending, and staking. User can borrow against their holding, lend to earn interest, and stake token to gain reward and enhance network stability. Partners. You can also check their partners from here. Next, we have their roadmap. You can also check their whole roadmap from here. This is an amazing project. Community links. You can also check their community links. You must join their social platforms like their Twitter account, their Telegram community, and their Discord. And furthermore, special instruction. As I already told you about their special instruction, this is an outstanding project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.